There is a reason why you've been losing money on meme coins regularly, and that is because you might not be doing the right thing. Some of you find a random wallet online and then you start copying their tweets blindly. Now this is the easiest ways to lose all your money in meme coins. So what I want to do in this video is to show you how to find profitable wallets and show you the best ways to mirror their trade. Now you're not going to copy them blindly, rather I'm going to show you a method which you're going to apply that is a lot more profitable. And by the end of this video, your game would have elevated to the next level and you start becoming more profitable trading meme coins. So if you like content like this, make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So first, let me show you how you can find these profitable wallets. Now, there are several methods you can use to find these profitable wallets. I'm going to use TO AXIOM, and after that, I'm going to show you how to do that on Dexscreener. Although I've talked about Dexscreener a couple of times on this channel, but I'm still going to show you in this video. So what you're going to do is you click on leaderboard, and you can see a list of wallets over here. There are a couple of them. Now, some of the people right here are not good people. They know that a lot of persons are looking at their wallet, and what they do is, because they know people are copying their trade, they just go ahead and press buy on any random coin and sell off instantly, and that way they've made money for themselves, because the moment they buy, it will automatically trigger all the wallets that are copying them to buy instantly, and then you guys are going to buy, and then you've put him on profit. He's going to sell within a few seconds or 1 minute or 5 minutes, and the whole chart is going to collapse immediately, and that way you've lost money. So that's why you have to watch this video carefully. So only one is profitable. The remaining 5 trades he took in the past 1 day has been on loss, but somehow he has made over $38,000. So probably one of the trade actually made him all of the money. So you don't want to copy this kind of person, right? Because he makes a lot of losses. So you need to understand what kind of trader is this person. Is this guy kind of like someone that finds coins very early and then is able to ape in and make a lot of returns, or is just a random guy that got lucky? Well, I don't think you climb this leaderboard becoming lucky. I think you have to grind really hard to climb this leaderboard. So let's check out the second person. This one made $22,000. This is today. He has taken 18 wins and 7 losses. This looks quite decent, like very, very decent. Not a lot of traders actually win 50% of their trade. So if someone is winning even 40% of their trade, it simply means you could be profitable. This guy here won only 1 out of 6 trades, but someone is profitable. So sometimes it's all about having a higher win rate. But it's all about being early to some of the plays sometimes. But you want to also focus on people that has high win rates over their losses. So this guy is a good wallet. You can actually click on it. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And you can see the trades he took recently. So this he bought with 2 Solana and he sold for 4 Solana. That's some profit. This he bought with 3 Solana, but he sold on little loss. So you can see each of them that he took profit on. He bought with 15 Solana. He made 4 Solana on this, 6 Solana. So I actually like the way this guy trades, even though I've not seen like his previous trade. So in total, he has won 89 trades and he has lost 106 trades. So you see what I'm telling you. So sometimes someone might have a very good win rate this week and next week they're actually fumbling. So just have to be careful with that. All right. So if you want to see how much he has made in total, so over here you can see his win rate 45% and average duration, that is the highest time he holds the coin, is 2 hours. Top win is 124 Solana, and over here you can see his most recent trade. So this is set at 7 days, so you can change to 30 days. I guess this is you can see 40% win rate for 30 days. 14 days is quite different. Okay, so you can always customize it to what you want. If you click on profit, you can see the total profit. He bought with 10 Solana, he made 134 Solana. So you can see a lot of his trades here, and then you can also check his losses. This he lost 93%, 65%, 55%, 93%. So are you willing to take some of the losses too? You just have to factor that whenever you're trading. Okay, so we found one wallet that we think is good. So what you can do is to copy his wallet by clicking right here. Once you click on it, it's copied. So I'm going to use a Google Sheet to save this first of all. Okay, so you can see I just created a Google Docs form to put them. I'm going to put this somewhere else once I'm done, but let's go back and let's get the name. His name is so you can just copy his name, Lopia, and you can just paste it right here. All right, so I'm going to use the same method to get multiple wallets. So you can use this to check out the next person. Let me check out this guy right here, and you can see this guy has won 172 trades and he has lost 217. You can see his average holding time. Like I said, this is on 7 days. You can change it, customize it to wherever you want. So average holding time is 38 minutes, and you can see a bunch of trades he has taken recently. So if this actually falls under your category, you just copy it, you come here and you paste it. His name is Dex, so you just write it right away. So you're going to use this method to get a bunch of wallets. Now, once you've been able to get, let's say, up to 20 to 50, for me, I've gotten up to 50 wallets actually, using this method. Not just this method, I use other methods to get them, which I'm going to explain right in this video. So once you've been able to use all this method to get, let's say 20 to 50 wallets, now what you're doing is, you're not just going to start copying them one by one. No, you're not doing that. What you're doing exactly is to set an alert, and whenever this wallet actually buy any coin, you're going to get the alert instantly. And your confirmation to buy that particular coin is when a lot of those wallets are actually buying, then you should know that probably a meta is actually forming and you should actually be buying. Although sometimes you might be late to the party if you're buying when a lot of them has actually bought. So you really have to think outside the box if you want to make money for yourself. So before I show you how you can actually import this wallet and set the alert, let me show you the second method you can get this wallet. The second method is actually from Dexscreener. What you're going to do is to look out for a coin that did really well in 24 hours or 48 hours, depending on you. And let's go with this one, Gobana. I saw this coin yesterday at 10 million, and then it hasn't really moved much since then. It's still at 11.9 million. Okay, so I did have the retracement down to, let me change this to, okay, I had the retracement down to 8 million, and then it's back to 11 million. Okay, so what you want to do is easy. Come to traders right here. Now you have to be very careful when you're looking at this region right here. I'm gonna look at this first wallet. He bought with $13,000 and he sold $105,000. He's still holding $12,000, right? Now you can see he had 15 buys, right? And he has only sold 8.5 million coins, which is 112 transactions. So it's not just, he didn't buy just once, he kept buying multiple times and he kept selling multiple times too. So you have to factor this in. So I like to focus on people that had minimal, like less buys, let's say 1 to 3 buys on a particular coin. Although some persons do not like to put in, let's say they want to buy with $10,000, they don't like to go in straight to the 10,000. They can just put in 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, just like that, split it into multiple phases. But that's why you have to do a lot more research about that. So this wallet right here, he had 3 transactions. So why are you selling 154 times? This is crazy. Although it's good for the chart because it doesn't dump the chart instantly, which makes it really healthy. Some of these guys could also be insiders. You just have to take note of that. So another mistake you guys make is you just look at this guy bought with $145 and you think he made $31,000, but in real sense, this particular he did one transaction, he bought 9,000 tokens, but he's selling 3 million tokens. So where did he get the 3 million tokens from? It simply means he actually transferred it from other wallets and sold on this particular wallet. So this is not the wallet you want to look out for. So look at this one right here. I think I like this one. He bought just twice, and he has sold 5.8 million, which made him $30,000. He's still holding $17,000. Now I want to click right here to check his wallet better. All right, so once it opens up on SoScan, you can see his balance right here, $134,000, and he's still holding some tokens worth $17,000, right? Now just copy his wallet address and go to this platform called AutoSnipe. I'm going to leave the link to sign up on this platform in the description. This is one platform I used to trade meme coins a lot, but I also use it to see the profitability of people's wallets. So you can come here to this section called Traders Lens, and you paste the wallet address of this person. Click on Analyze Address, and it's going to take a few seconds to analyze this. So just click on View Analysis, and you can see the win rate for this guy is 13%. Even though he made a lot of money from this particular coin, he has had 5 wins and 32 losses. Okay, this is 7 days. You can also change it to 30 days, and you can see total money he has invested is 593 Solana. He has realized 71 Solana, and unrealized is still about 114 Solana. So if he sells now, he's going to get back that one. And net profit, so this is the amount he has paid in fees. So losses where he lose about 50%. You can see 26 trades. Losses that was between 0 to 50% is 14 trades. So gains that he made more than 200% is 5 trades. So you can see that even though this guy was very profitable on this one, other of his trades are not really good. So you don't want to look out for that kind of wallet. So you can use this method I've shown you to find a bunch of wallets, and it doesn't have to be only this coin. Look at this wallet right here. I think this, let me check this out. So this wallet here has he has probably withdrawn some of the money, but let's go to here and then let's try to check his wallet out. Okay, so I'll click on view analysis, and this guy win rate is 40%, which is super good. I must tell you, super good. With this kind of win rate, you most likely will be profitable trading meme coins, and profit is somewhere around 65%. Oh, okay, so this guy is on profit, but not as much profit as you're actually looking at. But this is actually decent, although this is 7 days. So let's look at for 30 days. It's actually dropped to 15%, which is very poor. And you can also look at this one with USD instead of looking at it with Solana. So this is USD right here. Let's also click on token PNL. So these are the most recent coins he took, and these are some of the coins he bought with the profit he has made. So this he has made 25%. This he made 993%. So you can see a lot of the trades he has actually taken previously. So this is a lot of work actually, because sometimes it takes you a couple of hours to keep finding this wallet. But once you've been able to track most of these wallets and you've gotten some of the ones you actually want, look out for the ones that are more profitable within 7 days and 30 days and have like a balanced win rate, let's say 40 to 45% or even higher. If you see a wallet like that, that's actually good, and then the profit here should be a lot higher, and that could be a good sign for you. Although make sure you're also checking 30 days, because some might just be profitable this week, probably because they have access to information, and then next week they don't have access to any information, so they are losing. So you have to check that. And once you've gotten that, you come to your sheet here, you put their wallets and their name. So for trackers on how you can actually track when any of these persons actually buy, I'm going to recommend you use Axiom to do it. So I'm also going to leave my link to sign up for Axiom in the description, so do well to check that out. So once you come to Axiom, next you're going to do is to click on trackers, and right here you click on wallet manager. So you can just click on add wallet. You come here, you copy the wallet and the name, and you click on add, and it's going to add for you instantly. So let me just do it for this first person here. I'll paste the address and then the name. And then I'll just click on add wallet. So you can see I have a bunch of wallets over here that I'm actually tracking, so you can see all of them. Now I can you can turn off notification. You can turn off notification if you want to get alert. You can just on your alert, but me, sometimes I just stay on this and watch, so I easily see them, because if this alert is on, you just need to just keep beeping one sound like that, which I don't really like. So if you want alert, set your alert for them. Now this is like a manual method of importing this wallet, because it's going to take you time, but you can use this import right here, and you just paste all the wallets and their name, and there's a way you're going to arrange it, and it's going to import for your automatic. That's the method I used for this, but that's going to make this video quite long if I want to do that. So once you've done this, you've been able to track this wallet. So anytime any person buys, once your alert is on, it beeps you up immediately. If this website is opened, it has to be open. It beeps you up instantly, and then if a lot of them are buying, you're going to see them. Let's go to live trades. So there's no live trade recently from the guys I'm copying. So if they're a live trade, you're going to see all of them buying right away here. And once you've seen it, then if you know that that's actually okay for you, then you go ahead and buy. That's one way you can actually spot trades very early. And then this here is a Twitter tracker, which allows you to track their trades. So I'm going to stop right here, because this video has exceeded the time I wanted it to stay, because most of you are not going to watch the video up to this point. But if you actually did watch it to this point, then go to the comment section and write "I watched to this point." It's going to make me very happy to see people watching this video up to this length. And make sure you're liking this video right now and subscribing to this channel. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, meme coins, how to make money, then then check out my course to the website uchecrypt.com. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. So do well to check out the course and get it right away. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.